What's up, guys? Tyler here at RCMadness with Justin from the back room there. He has built a brand new CAT PB today. Just came in today, already built, ready to go. We're just going to talk about it a little bit so you guys can see the differences. We have an old car, Justin's old CAT here, we can kind of compare it to. Obviously, a big change between these two models for this generation. So just gonna go over it real quick, couple things. Justin's gonna rip it around the track and I'll tell you how we feel. All right, guys, we got the buggies flipped around here. Justin's gonna talk about the initial build of the CAT PB before we rip it on the track and a couple comparisons to the old one. Aside from the completely obvious of this one being shaft drive and this one belt drive, Justin's gonna point out a couple things and kind of go over what he did for the build here.
Yeah, so the build was actually surprisingly easy. You could take a lot of the stuff from the old one, you know, it'll help you out, like the hub, the front and rear hubs are kind of similar with the top hats. So all that stuff's pretty easy. The big thing was the slipper assembly with the fab, but it was pretty easy once you looked at directions a couple times. But yeah, the big thing is no belt. I mean, it's a lot easier to build. You don't have to worry about the gears in the transmission and stuff like that. The motor mount, I'm not a real big fan of, but we'll see how it goes. It's kind of similar to the X-Ray where it clamps in and you turn it to get your gear mesh. But yeah, other than that, the build was smooth. We'll see how it drives.
All right, guys, we're bringing it out to the track, up on the stand, see what it can do. How did it feel compared to the old car?
Well, to tell you the truth, it feels nothing like the old car. Has way more forward drive. It turns on a dime. I don't know, it's just, I can't compare it to the belt car. It's just that different.
That's crazy.
But yeah, it's awesome.
All right, guys, that's the new CAT PB. We got him here at RCMadness. This is Justin's. You're definitely going to see some more videos about it. Make sure you like and subscribe on the channel. We'll talk a little bit more about it in our live later this week, so stay tuned for my live. And again, guys, thanks for watching.